Hello children, welcome to the chapter Water. Water is essential for all living beings. It is present in fruits, vegetables, leaves, flower, air, even in our breath. Every day we use water in our day-to-day life. We use water for drinking, cooking, and washing utensils. Washing up clothes, cars, cleaning a floor, gardening and watering of plants. We also use lots of water. We need water for bathing. In industries also, we need lots of water every day. About 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered with water. Do you know from where do we get water, or what are the sources of water? Two main sources of water are there, rain and snow. Rain is the most important natural sources of water. Lakes, ponds and rivers get water mainly from rain. Have you ever been to a hill station during winters and seen the snowfall? The snowfall is small white cotton-like flakes. Trees, roof of the houses and the hills get covered with snow. A white sheet seems to cover everything. It is a beautiful sight. Snow is a major natural source of water. In winters, there is normally heavy snowfall on the mountains, and during summer, a part of the snow melts and changes into water. This water flows down the mountains into the rivers and lakes. Now, let's see what are the other sources of water. Ocean, river, stream, lake, pond, well, hand pump, water pump, water tank, etc. First is ocean. Oceans are the large water bodies found on the surface of Earth. It contains huge amount of water. Let's see a oceanic view. Then sea. Sea is also a large reservoir of water. Many people love to travel in sea beach. Lakes are the other sources of water. They also contain large amount of water. Rivers contain huge amount of water, and rivers become full when there is heavy rainfall. Streams. Streams are like small rivers, flows on ground. We get underground water by digging well. We also get underground water with the help of tube well. Ponds. Ponds are the small reservoir of water. There are different sources of water for us, but do you know, drinking dirty water from river, lake and pond contain germs like bacteria and virus, which can make us fall ill. So we should always drink clean and germ-free water, like boiling water and water from filter, to remain healthy.